Taba kay ka, friend.
Yeah, wag mo nang lagyan niya, ah. Ay, bakit niya? Malalaglag siya, ah.
Uy, no. May ganun na itong hair.
Yugo na kay Kati. Asa naman person.
Guys, delay among flight. Like 2 hours daw. Hi, guys. Hi. Say hi to my vlog. We're going to Baguio, guys. Saba kay ka, friend. Hi, guys. Delay among flight. Like 2 hours daw. Max.
Pwede mag-ugang pamikisa.
Kisit daw na mo.
So, i-rate lang po. Kung nilang compensation for... Akong kabatos kay mabuling. Kumagin na ako.
Ano nag-aanag ko? Ha? Ako ginagaanak ko.
Oh, 2 hours. My God.
The weather mo, no?
Hindi man daw yata weather. Guys, how's your experience?
So far.
So good. Di ba na yung mga turbulence? Scary.
Like 8 over 10.
8 over 10. Ang landing. Dili perfect, no? Ang landing. Time check. It's 1:42 a.m. Naa siya'y here nga maka-watch ka, anything you want. Maka-charge ka, na mga charging port. Yan, na mga charging port. And nakay free water. And Spanish bread nga luspad kayo. And blanket. But this is not free, okay? We will return this one. Kanilang ang free. What's not free? Ah, it's not free. After just a payment. Pero mo na yung mo ang perks. Okay?
72 hours later.
We're here at Baguio. So we will be going now sa Mountain Province Mission. Muna mong stayan for the 5 days for 5 days, guys. This is my space. Si Jojoy sa babaw siya. Wala, pwede mo magchika si babaw, Joy. Ni Alfel. Hi. This is an adventure. We'll be going to SM Baguio. We'll ride a jeep and then we'll know where to go.
Mukbang, titikman natin ang Jollibee ng
So far, ang imong pinakalaman sa CD, usa nga brand?
Carmen.
Ba?
Carmen pa.
So, makabit ka ni. Binamabit ka ni.
Kailan?
Actually, kanang murag mo ginang Carmen. Murag mo pa na nga siya nga branch mo po ang kuan kay murag ginabantayan gyud sa
Most
murag yapon tong aging adlaw na taon sa kuan ba sa ilugay ako kung sa mo kay ko ako naman pagutong. Nang gisulod. Wala na sulod ba?
Pero wala ko gutom na kanang.
Nga, lahi na mana naman siya nga stage ana. Mana yung question after sa gutom.
After atong lipong patay.
Okay. Per minuto. Dili man naman siya pitch ng lupay. Tala
Hindi na yun.
Okay, oy.
Guys. Ang pananampalataya na isa.
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Strawberry Farm.
Doon tayo. Wow, Tagalog. Wow.
Joy, apili ko, Joy.
Hi, dalawa na lang po. Okay, sige.
Guys, we're here guys at La Trinidad. Ano to? La Trinidad Marketing Trading Pavilion. Strawberry Farm. And look at that.
I try. Pwede mag-try.
Try. Na lang talaga ako. Ma'am, ito ma'am naman yung Sagada Oreo.
Yan, kan.
Try lang yun. Iba to ma'am yung yellow.
Lohogord.
Uy, no? Saan naman itong hair?
Oh my God!
Hair?
What is that?
Man kayo na sa puno.
Ito kasi.
Can you say to the
Labi ganit.
real orange?
Ma'am, ito naman yung cherry apples ma'am.
What the fuck?
Cherry apples ma'am.
Sabi ko ganito. Patilaw, thank you ate.
Yes ma'am. Lami naman siya yung cherry apples.
More of mga twins.
This is delicious.
Your hand. So, kanalami. So, what can you say to the taste? 7 out of 10.
Delicious. It's...
I want to try. How much is that?
No, just eat. Para share ka sa 100. Tunga miya.
Pwede pa try ito.
Ako sad.
Tiugo na kay Kate. As a damak person, look at that. Natin to kasi. As... Kung asa na
Dire may Kuya Alfie. Siya si Kuya Alfel. Kuya Alfie. At
po, ito po yung friend namin nga na always bumili ng bawal. Always bumili ng bawal. After 1 month.
Alfe, kuya.
Kuya Alfe, meet Alfel.
Period.
How old are you?
What ito? With great power comes with
Great
great personality. Sambog ka
Yeah, wag mo
na.
nang lagyan niya Ay, bakit yan? Malalaglag siya ya? Oh my God, the Tagalog is Tagalogin. Ang pangit ng tono.
But you know what, Kuya? Is it?
Kuya, we're from Mindanao. Cagayan de Oro City, the city of golden
So
friendship.
if you will go there, yeah, just look for our famous friend.
Ay, tudya dugati ko. Ay, wag kang maniwala.
Hello, wala na akong nadala ko mga wipes.
Yes, na ko'y wipes. I need to wipe my... Diba? Ito rin na nga iulatan, diba?
Please.
Ato nga time. Please down ka.
Paano? Sa Happy New Year? Food court. Gamayan na late sa prim. Wala nakita ko nung isolated kasi sa sobrang wala din ang tangkilit na binavlogan na yung ban ba? Muna tayong lunch.
To grow and to inspire others. Guide our session.
Tomorrow.
Breakfast.
Lamig kaayo.
Lamig kayo.
Thank you.
You said they here in the province.
With this, why you not able to make
Thank you.
Wala sa mood kaya wala ka daog. The competitive. Okay, what's your lunch for today?
Leaf, fruit leaf.
Okay,
And then-
let's rate your lunch okay
And
after.
then we have a little shrimp.
Ay, katong breakfast, how much man ang rate? How
Flashback.
breakfast?
End of flashback.
Let's see.
In terms of color, maybe 7 out of 10. But the taste, let's see. What's it? Sit down. Pero okay lang, hindi mo pinakatabi. Dapat ako na-mix for like... Pang-vlogger, pang-vlog.
Hi guys, we are here at home coffee. Here at what's the place?
Sa mic connected. Sa mic 1 hour. The program will just...
Okay, sayang kayo, di ba? Hindi may mag-admit Baguio. Ay, hindi may mag-daag sa Baguio. So we try some coffee. Or coffee happy. This one is really good. Foamy because it's matcha foam. But on sweet side, yours is the foamy lang. Yung mga tayo ba?
Ano ba na siya? Sir, limited na mga ito. Ano na limited season ng mga drinks or months na anak?
This one is creme brulee.
This is strawberry something. Patilawad ako sa ilo. Hindi mo nagpanon laway ka cheese. Saya. Do klaro yung kape.
Pero kung mag-isang adjust na ba? Over tayo.
Pero actually, ma-appreciate yung mga kanang ceremony na matcha. Until maabot ang
It's only 7 pesos. So let's try. Gani! Hi guys. Evening devotional before mag-night market.
Naglinog! Diyan. Higara. Ni higara ang pag-airi.
Isa. Ang sauce. Oh, diba? Perfect. Thank you.
Pretty cool.
Ano yung stroke niya?
Hello guys! Kanang stress ka imidu kay first time
Sorry.
imidu kay first time
Guys, chismis na siya.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hi guys. Breakfast.
We have prayed already.
Day 3 of Takasing. Where are you going? It's raining.
I'm going to Trinidad.
Pak! Ah! Grabe siya, bye. Welcome to New York. It's been raining for you. Lilingit-it ka.
Guess the life.
Sa ato, ya, kaya ang lecture. So good na.
Peach po. And then, apple. Ito yung
Thank you. Katong white sauce. Yung pinakaubos. Wala ko siya nag-let. Medyo mag-let. Ngayon ko mag-sandwich ka. Yung may chito ganit na
For variety. Dahil lang ko nag-hot ko na for variety. Ma-record mo ano. Sa iya man po ng mga coordinator.
It could be Mordecai and it could be anybody else. It could be a common name. What we do know
The next day.
He served as the Communication and Media Ministries Director of the Southern Asia Pacific Division.
My wife, she used to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning and pray all the basketball rings that she has, especially the
Yesterday I told you that Daniel is my favorite Bible character. But I want to admit to you that
You write your own Bible.
Hi guys! Happy Sabbath. It's Saturday. Sudan dere perfect ka ng mga gulay, mushroom, kaning rice, and walay lasa na sabaw. This is my first time to see this fruit, guys. It's called longgan. So it looks like lanzones, but inside it tastes like what? Rambutan. Wait, see? Feel natin siya. And this is it. Tara! So let's try. Taste test.
Anong wala si Mark?
Si Mark, tahimik lang. It tastes like peach na rambutan. So yeah.
You can find hope in that. When you go there, you see beautiful things. In
48 hours later.
Hindi ulit.
Dono.
At taga-DPNC mo siya? Kasi
Guys, tugnaw na kaya akong pusod.
sabi ito na yung na magpadka.
Guys, tugnaw na akong pusod, guys. Like legit. Hi, guys! This is the last night here at Baguio. Aww.
Bye-bye.
What can you say?
Okay na. Still grateful.
Aww.
So mag-visit niyo sa Davao, Ellie.
Logi, Ellie. Ikuan may entertain. I-entertain me.
Early the next morning.
Going home. Ay! Ano to? Saan mo, be? Hi, guys! Where are we? Ano to ba? Where are we?
We are at the glacier.
Actorista.
And to recognize our weaknesses. It is through this process of constant feedback and improvement, the core values of courage, integrity, and loyalty. Each maneuver requires not only physical skill, but also mental.
Unselfishly surrender their lives for the welfare of our country. The Academy is deep with traditions. Instruct, train, and develop. Train and develop the cadets so that each graduate shall possess the character to broaden basic military skills and dedication essential to the successful pursuit of a progressive military.
Hi, guys.
First time.
Ta-da!
Alam mo kailan mga sabaw sa mo? Try the gravy.
Hi, guys! Ganito pala sa Manila.
Land.
Maraming Tagalog.
Dili. Dagat park na siya. Nanagay ito yung hotel. View dagat pero ang itabukay. Butangan o.
Yuta.
Oh,
mo naman na siya sa...
The next day.
Hi, we're going home.